Hello, viewers. Today we have with us Megha, the writer of The Mystery Within You. Megha's life is all about vibes and energy. Being an event manager, she had always felt connected to the creative path of life. A chance encounter with an extraordinary person changed her life. How
Uh,
are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. So, how does it feel to finally have completed a book which is now about to be published?
Oh, well, I'm really overwhelmed with the final thing happening around, and I'm really happy with the idea that I'm finally able to execute it and I'm able to publish my book. And I was never a writer before, but I was really happy that I could all make to this journey.
That's great. So, what inspired you to start writing?
I did a lot of meditation and I started talking to a lot of my friends who were into it to just share the idea like what is happening with them. Then I met my one of my old friend. Her name is Pariniti, and then I came to know about her experience about meditation, and I was really excited and I was really amazed to know what was going with her. So that's why after knowing her journey, like the way she had written, I literally fell in love with her journey. And the way she explained me everything, I just thought that I would love if people will read this character and they will know about her. This is a real life story about Pariniti, and I would really love if everyone will fall in love with her character in my book.
Great. Isn't it amazing how someone can inspire you so much in your life that you can, your life can literally change by just one interaction?
Yes, and I was really amazed, like, just because of her experience, I could completely do something out of the box, which I had never thought about doing. Like, I never thought that I will write a book. So, I was really happy when I came to know about her journey, and because of that, I could write a book, because of her.
That's so true. So, tell us about your writing process. How
Uh,
do you like to write?
I was not, frankly speaking, like I was not too much into writing before. I just used to maintain a little diary of myself and I used to journal few things because I was into meditation. As it is said that if you will do journaling, it will help you and it will keep you motivated all the time. So I was just into a little bit that. But when she told me about her story, I actually thought of penning down all her experience. And when I did that, we both were really happy with whatever we came out with.
That's great.
If you read the book of Pariniti, she has very well explained like how before she had so many mind chattering going on and how little things happening around used to uh, drain her and that used to create anxiety in her and she used to think about all that. But as she started doing so much meditation, she very well explained how she overcome everything and how peaceful she became, and she could manage so many things like previously she could not manage her time, like she used to wake up, she used to do her work and with all family work and all that. But if you will read the book, you will come to know how well she learned how to manage her time, and in that time only she could explore herself, her path of life, her soul path, and in that span of time only he unlock her mystery, like whatever mystery was hiding inside her, she could unlock all that, and she could share with us so that we can also become part of it.
That's right. It was so much fun discussing about this book with you, and even more, working on this book with you. So I'm really very excited to see your book on the bookshelves. People reading it, learning from it, and just trying to implement the mindfulness, gratification, and meditation, spirituality in their own lives.
Yeah.
So I'm very excited to see that.
I'm also really excited, to publish this book because I was never a writer before, and with your help and Pariniti help, I could come up with something, a real life story, and we could make a really good book out of it. And I just guess our like the way we love her story, everyone is gonna love her story too.
Definitely. So, okay.
Okay, it was nice working together, and I hope we'll come up with more books soon, and we'll keep publishing and keep entertaining people with our book, and they will have their own journey to unlock their path. Maybe I hope after reading this book, they also start doing meditation and they can actually get their all gifts of the universe given by God and.
Talking with you has actually encouraged me so much, has inspired me to do so much more in my life, that it's like take and take from our relationship, that you think that I had helped you in your book, and I think that I have learned so much in my life, not just professionally but also on a personal level, which is amazing. And I'm sure we are all going to grow with it and learn more. It was so great talking to you, and I look forward to reading this book as well as upcoming all the books that you would be writing for us.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, Megha. It was great talking to you.
Bye.